for the first time this year. Crop circles have appeared near a windmill in Wiltshire in the UK. Drone operators and researchers gathered at the site to film it. We can see how a sequence of 5 circles of different sizes lead to a more complex arrangement of 3 additional spheres in an orbital dance around the central circle. Once again, we are reminded that this is not done by humans. It is done from spacecraft using radiation. Researcher David Wilcock believes they are designed for people seeing the different symbols to open their minds to the possibility that there is something more than they are used to seeing and thinking about.